you ever wondered how flexible PCBs are made? Today, we'll take you behind the scenes and show you the flexible PCB production process at Capel, a leading flexible PCB manufacturer with over 15 years of experience. Capel is known for its expertise in rigid flex and flexible PCB manufacturing. With our state-of-the-art rigid flex PCB and flexible PCB factories and PCB assembly facilities, we pride ourselves on providing fast and reliable PCB prototyping services. Our flexible circuit board products include single-sided flexible circuit boards, double-sided flexible circuit boards, and multi-layer flexible PCB. Quality control is an important part of the production process. Our team carefully inspects each PCB to ensure it meets our high standards. If you need a high-quality flexible PCB, Capel is your best choice. Contact us today to learn more about our flexible PCB manufacturing services.